Hello chemical engineers. Today we will explain definition of chemical engineering and what do chemical engineers. Definition of chemical engineering. Chemical engineering, one part of engineering like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and others. Chemical engineering concerns the operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. Right-hand chemical plants are industrial process plants that manufacture or process chemicals. Right-hand, they use specialized equipment, units, and technology in the manufacturing process. Right-hand, there are several types of chemical plants, including inorganic and organic industrial chemicals, ceramic products, agrochemicals, polymers and rubber, fragrances and flavor, pharmaceutical, etc. Chemical engineering apply principles of chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and economics. These principles used to produce, design equipments, transport and transform energy and materials efficiently. Chemical engineers change raw materials into useful, everyday consumer products, focusing on safety, efficiency, and sustainability as their key priorities. For example, limestone, changed into cement, lime, glass products using different processing equipments or machineries. What do chemical engineers? Chemical engineers typically do the following: conduct research to develop new and improved manufacturing processes, design and plan the layout of equipment, establish safety procedures for working with dangerous chemicals, conduct tests and monitor production processes, troubleshoot problems in manufacturing processes, evaluate equipment and processes to ensure compliance with safety and environmental regulations, estimate production costs for management. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.